If you like to trade stocks ahead of earnings, we love a little bit of edge, and I have one for you. NIO reports this week, and it's going higher. It also has some awesome stocks that will follow along with it that are usually thrivers for June. Everyone likes to say history repeats itself, and when it comes to trading, it does. We're talking about price, volume, interest, and all of these individual stocks have their little personalities and the same reactions. I know it sounds too good to be true, but thank you. Sometimes Mr. Market owes us one, you know? So let's look back. How did NIO react in previous earning periods, especially in June? Let's see if this summer is going to be a sizzler. Okay, so historically speaking, I'm going back to June. I'm doing this live. I did not look at this yet, so I hope I'm right for the basis of this video. But let's look back in June. All right, so June 2023. Here we go in NIO. Okay, so NIO reported earnings on Friday, June 9th, and it did have a positive reaction. Not only did the stock gap higher, NIO's under $10, so a 1-2 point move is pretty significant for NIO. Not only did it have a nice pop higher, it continued to rip into the summer. And you'll also see that a lot of its counterpart stocks like RIVN, like SunPower, you have all of the solar stocks and the EV cars. It's usually a hot girl summer for them, all right? Let them have it. So I'm looking at NIO, Tesla, Rivian, SPR. I'm going to make sure to write all of those stocks on in the comments so you can trade alongside and have that watch list. I also have a free newsletter called Trading Today. It's always free. We'll put those targets in there as well if you're more of a reader and a shaker. But just looking at NIO, they're reporting this, let's see, I believe it's this Thursday. I think it's a great little play for a goof. And I have an upside target of not just 2 points. This thing can rip 3 points in after the bell. So that is in NIO. Alongside of it, you can look at something like Rivian. I actually think Rivian's chart looks a little better than NIO's, but Rivian already reported earnings. They had an amazing move, but they are continuing higher. They are finding support and continuing higher. So my upside target for Rivian as a volume profile trader and gap, looking at this gap fill, we're looking at like 1577. That one might get some spark after NIO reports. And then you have your Teslas. Yes, Tesla. Nice little consolidation here. You could see I was trading this one as well. Look at the lack of volume to the upside of all of these. And there's gaps all over this chart. Old adage on Wall Street, gaps get filled. And when it comes to NIO, they usually do. So Tesla's looking good alongside of NIO and Rivian as well. And I said I'd throw in some bonus stocks too. And that is SPWR. This one has quite a fan club. You could see it pops and drops a lot. But in this case, we're looking to fill the gap with this momentum in these EV, in these solar power stocks heading in to the summer. I have one more bonus for you. I'm going to throw this out there. There is a fundamental reason why something like Carrier Global Corporation will also get a boost with EV and solar power. If you want to know more why, I'll get into a fundamental analysis. Again, I have my newsletter, Trading Today. We're going to put that link in the bio and you get it for free. If you feel like buying something, buy this. For my trading service, which unfortunately is not free, we're doing a special $17 trial for a month. I'll throw that in the chat too. We're never putting it out there again. And you also will get grandfathered in to the $97 a month after that. We are raising prices in my service, and we'd love to have you grandfathered into that so you can secure that $97. But first, enjoy for $17. You get a month and you can trade live with us and trade these stocks with us as well. All right, guys, are you going long NIO into the summer? Let me know in the comments, and may it be a sizzler.